Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning. The black table's done. It's out the door. If you guys haven't seen it on my Instagram feed, I will pop up a picture here so you can see it. I aged the hardware. Hopefully the picture's still here. I aged the hardware, and then I had to sand down that clear coat, so the triple thick. My husband explained to me that he used to use a product when he did billboards that was the same really thick stuff, and you can't back roll it. And I always want to even out my roll marks, and he's like, you can't back roll something that thick, so you have to do one coat and then one next row, and it's supposed to be self-leveling, but I don't care. I'm not using it. I can't apparently not back roll. It's like the glitter paint was back brushing problem, and it was getting gummy. No. Anyway, I got a new project in. You can't see this green chair. Right, it's over here. I don't know, it's over here. Right there. Green chair. I did it once already. It's green with purple velvet seat, and nobody liked my vision. I love it. It's full of color. It's just beautiful to me. So I'm going to paint it with the color shift paint. Since they do like the color shift paint. They didn't like the green and the purple together, but the color shift is green, purple, and blue, so they're still gonna get green and purple together. So let me show you. Oh, we get to unbox my new scale cam. Ooh. I love it. I absolutely love it. I have to paint it in black first. And then I realized I only have this much black left. So I'm hoping it's enough to cover the chair. I went downstairs, went through all my paint stores, and the only black paint I have left is spray paint, and I can't spray paint right now. I am shocked because I love black paint. That's probably why I don't have any. And since I'm not buying new paint, I brought up some new colors. I brought up Free Spirit, so we'll be painting some stuff in that. Wild Blue Yonder, painting some stuff in that. A Coastal Coral, I don't know why I felt pink. And Swimming Pool Blue, which, no, they're not the same. So Swimming Pool. And then I brought up more Landlocked Mermaid because I have another nightstand that matches the other nightstand that I just finished, and I ran out of Landlocked Mermaid. So I will be using that to paint that one and finding something to do with these. So fun. This I might do on this box. Do a layered paint look on this black box with the black coming through the coastal. I love black and pink together. You can tell from the lid, it looks good. And then maybe some aging dust around it. Possibilities are endless. I want to open my new scale and play with it. I, of course, don't have a heavy box to ship right now. Oy, 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 oy. I have all little packages going lately, and I'm like, I'm getting my new scale in March, and it came early. So when it showed up, I had literally no idea what it was. I was like, I don't know what that is. To my husband, I'm like, I don't know. I didn't order anything like that. And it turned out it was my scale, which is a month early. I'll take it. Considering the weather and the shipping delays, I'll take a month early. Okay, it's got a plug-in and batteries. I don't love things with batteries, but I think it said use AC adapter and the scale will always power on right there. Pretty sure I looked that up when I was reading it. USB powered. And this is the cord that has the digital readout. That's why I needed it, was this digital readout separate from the box area. Because once the box is on the scale, trying to read it underneath there, it's a bit of a challenge. If the box is way larger than your scale, It's got to stay balanced, and you can't get it balanced on there and still read the letters or the numbers. Letters. I went to school. I have a degree. There it is. I'm always disturbed by how little packing electronics have. Considering how much I have to pack my stuff, I'm always afraid this is not going to work. But there's the scale. Ooh, why? It just has wings. I don't know why. 110 pound maximum capacity, so I will not be hopping on this sucker. For all you people that love the peeling. So satisfying. Let's try this out. So power it up, zero it out. Okay, it says 0 pounds, 0 ounces. Let's put some paint on there. It works! 13 ounces, 14 ounces, I don't know, 13.9, 13.7. Anyway, it works. My new scale. And then it can be way outside of the box. Yay, I can actually read it. Y'all, you don't even know. You don't even know. Maybe if you're shipping for Etsy, you do know. But I had one box. What's that? Oh, it was a mid-century tray. It was long rectangle, but it was just too wide to see the numbers and it wouldn't balance. I'm like, try to take a picture under there with my phone. Ugh. And right then and there, I knew I wanted a scale like this. I'm very excited for my new toy. I got the seat off to see if I can deal with that situation. Looks like my cat's lifted pretty good. I have a lot of projects to work on and a lot of decisions to make, and that's where I do not shine. Getting it done is good. I'm not good at decisions. You know, I love all these colors and I want to put them all on that box, and you can't. I could put a couple of them. I could layer. See, this is where nothing gets done. This is why I had all those projects sitting around, because I couldn't make choices. At least I know what I'm doing on that. I used to say fresh ground coffee. I don't know if you guys remember me picking this up at a thrift store. And I took the icky stickers off that they had that said fresh ground coffee. Painted it, gave it a nice coat of white. It was an off-white faux distressed thing. I'm painting the knobs black, which I don't have a lot of black, so I'm kind of hosed there. So I'm painting them black, and this is my project for the day. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna do any distressing. Possibly, maybe, probably, I don't know. Decisions must be made again. Anyway, let's get paint. I'm gonna have to break out the clamp. Look at that. Oh, it's time to get some glue in there. I guess it's a good thing it's getting repainted. Let's fix her up. This started. I gotta wait for the clamps to come off before I can do the rest of that. So I feathered the paint. So if you have to have a stop and starting point, you see how I feathered the paint? That's so you don't have a clear line of demarcation in there. Another wholesale came. I'm very excited. Let's see. They're pretty. Okay. Wood flowers. Aren't they pretty? I believe these are wood. They're made from wood. Aren't they gorgeous? They're super beautiful. And there's a whole bag of them, and I'm going to package them up into smaller bags. Beautiful. Doing it. I'm doing the coral on the black box. I'm gonna be brave and do color. Oh, I love that first dip of paint. Oh, guys, it's pretty. It's pretty. Okay, so remember this little guy? Had the missing bead on the top. I took it off the side over here. Put it on top. I'm gonna fill that hole, but it's also coming apart right here. So I'm gonna use tight chair and a clamp, and I'm gonna get this thing glued down. Now hopefully I don't glue my fingers together like last time. They're still apart. Careful now, put the lid on. Don't glue yourself together. Oh, I still have all my fingers apart. I think I gotta find another beige. Welcome mat, which is a brown, like a beige. And this one is wild oats. I think that's the one I'm gonna put on there. Just a base coated so none of the weird fruity things show through.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.